Okay, so we've got our editor. Let's go and create something. And the first one we're going to create, first page we're going to create, is the most simple page you can create at all. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to create a new folder. I'll call this new page. Okay. Again, see a little bit of how to in brackets as well. And then I'm going to create a new file and just call it hello world.html, just to say there's HTML file. If it's a HTML file, the browser thinks it's a HTML file, it'll load it. And we're just going to say hello world. We're not going to put any code in there at all. Now if I click this little icon here, this tells the brackets to open up a browser with the page that's, well, here. So let me just click that now. Opens up Chrome. And there you go. Hello world. Very simple. Kind of proves that you don't need to have the HTML code for it to actually display in a browser. The browser still is able to show what's in there. Notice the icon down here. This is the W3C validation. At the moment there's an issue because it's saying it's timed out. Don't worry about that error at the moment. You'll see when that becomes useful pretty soon. So let's continue on to the next lecture where we're actually going to create some HTML.